Jewell Jones' attorney previously tried to get the case thrown out, claiming police didn't have probable cause to arrest him. Well, the judge didn't buy that argument. Jones rejected any plea deals, and the prosecution saying Friday they have now revoked all deals. So now the case, as you might imagine, goes to trial.
I'm just looking forward to my day in court. As we all know, it's these days you get tested in the court of public opinion sometimes.
I'm testing up. Don't test up.
No doubt, State Rep Jewell Jones' saga has played out publicly as he told us outside of court Friday. His arrest depicted again and again. Jones taken into custody along I-96 in Livingston County, charged with resisting or obstructing an officer and driving drunk, among other things. But Jones' attorney, Byron Nolan, suggesting despite everything the public can see, there's additional video evidence he wants the court to see.
I sent some pictures of injuries. There's a different camera that shows the angle that everything happened after the takedown. Essentially, you weren't able to see that on the video we had. I submitted pictures, but the pictures don't tell the whole story, obviously, of what happened.
Jones is out on bond, but has a lot of restrictions after multiple violations. He has a curfew of 9 p.m., can only go to church, his job, and treatment. Friday, Nolan also asked if his client could move around his district, talk with constituents, and maybe do some independent contractor work. Plus, remove an alcohol tether and instead submit to random testing. The judge said no.
The bond was appropriate when it was set. The conditions seem to be working. I've had no bond violations since I put those in place.
Jones wasn't happy about the judge's decision to essentially keep bond conditions the way they are.
I would be lying if I said I wasn't disappointed. I still would like to see my family for the holidays and whatnot, but at least I'm not in prison anymore. So I'm out here, so although I might not be able to be in person with everyone, I can still communicate with them on the phone and just do my very best to at least be a little bit more closer to them. I still do believe in the system. I believe that it works, and so hopefully we can see this thing through and all the facts that come out, all the evidence that come out, and when I have my day in court, justice will be served.
The judge is allowing Jones to meet at his attorney's office to prepare his defense for trial, which is currently set for February 22nd after a settlement conference. Nolan said Jones had some issues with his charging cord for a tether, but he remedied that and had issues with automatic payments to the tether monitoring company. With all of his legal woes, Jones got one pat on the back from the judge for dealing with all of those issues. According to the judge, well. Hillary Golston, Fox 2 News.